All right, so I just got in the mail something absolutely beautiful, and it's my brand new Xbox controller. This is the Elite Series 2, which I designed and built on Design Lab. Now, I ordered this controller on September 24th, and I received it today on October 14th. So we're gonna unbox it together because yes, you've been able to customize your controllers in the past, but Xbox has actually just announced a brand new set of features that you are able to customize, starting with the faceplate of the controller, which you can now customize to have a translucent faceplate on it. And they offer a variety of different colors, starting with the Ghost Cipher, which is a controller that I just recently unboxed. So if you missed out on unboxing, check out the video up here. I'll link it somewhere above. It is an absolutely beautiful controller, and it's definitely something that you don't want to miss because they are bringing back this 90s nostalgia when it comes to peripherals and gaming, and I'm all for it. Let's unbox this controller and let's get into some of the details of pricing and what you get out of the customization of this controller. All right, so here we have it. You designed it, we built it, and I definitely designed this controller right here. Again, I ordered this on 9/24. Today's October 14th, and we received it today. So for the base controller, you're gonna be paying $149. And again, yes, you can customize the controller itself, but I went a step above and I got pretty much everything customized to the controller, the case, and I got some added stuff, which we're gonna go over in this video today. Again, this is the Xbox Elite wireless controller. This is Series 2. So this is the next iteration of Elite controllers. Now, a lot of people have mentioned that they've had issues with it. Personally, I've owned 3 different Elite controllers, and I have never faced any issues whatsoever besides wear and tear, which, let's be honest, guys, if you're using a controller, you're gaming quite a bit, you're gonna go through some wear and tear. That is just absolutely normal, and that it's supposed to be expected. You're not gonna own a piece of equipment for a long period of time while using it, you know, every day or at least once a week without getting some wear and tear out of it. Now, this is the first time I'm seeing this just like you guys, and I am absolutely just so excited. Now, again, it's $149 for the standard package, but you can pretty much spend a little bit more extra for 4 paddles, 4 thumbsticks, an extra D-pad, a case, a charger, and a USB cable. So here we go. Let's unleash this thing. Absolutely beautiful. So now with the case itself, the only thing that's really customized about the case is the logo color and the color on the string, not string, what is this called? The little zipper buckle right here. So the color of this, the color of the Xbox logo right here in the front, and that is pretty much it. All right, so let's look inside the box first before we get into the meat and potatoes of the case. Now, of course, you're gonna receive your instruction manual, but we are gonna check out the cable itself that comes within the packaging. This is a braided cable. As you can see, it is USB-A to USB-C. Over here, you can see an Xbox branded logo on the cable itself. Love the cable, absolutely beautiful. You're not able to customize the cable, so it comes as is, so that's something to keep in mind. Unfortunately, I do wish it was USB-C to USB-C, but if you know your Xbox, it's just gonna be USB-A to USB-C. Now, I've owned Elite controllers in the past, but I've never actually customized one myself, so I'm really excited to see this for the first time, and here we go. That is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my God. All right, let's get into the top here first. So they just put this in, some extra padding for protection. The controller. Oh my God. That is so beautiful. Now, some things to note here. Yes, controllers and designing them have been around for a minute now with Design Labs, but what's new? What's new is the faceplate itself. This is part of their Cipher Series, which is just basically translucent plates, and you have a variety of colors from blue to red to green, white. I just recently unboxed the Cipher Ghost controller, which basically is completely translucent all around. It is beautiful to see. If you guys want to watch that video, click here. But this is so gorgeous. This thumb pad, the thumb pad right here, is actually new as well to Design Labs. So the reason why I got this is because of the faceplate and the new thumb pad. I thought the combination is just absolutely beautiful, and I had to design my own controller. My birthday month, so why not? Some things you'll notice right here off the top. I got orange on the thumbsticks and the rings around the thumbsticks, black on the controller buttons, a little blue on the Xbox logo right here. But hold on, beautiful. That is absolutely gorgeous. So you'll see the paddles right here, which actually match the thumbstick over here as well. And it just looks so good all around. Also got the triggers orange, and I think the orange with the blue, it's just a great combination of colors as well with the translucent plate. You just have to go with the translucent. Look, they have been absolutely crushing the translucent series, and the Elite controller now having this option, it's just top tier, guys. So if you've never customized your own controller, look, it's worth it. It's worth the price. It is so beautiful. Yeah, I'm in love. The only thing that I'll say that you can customize out of the controller, it's the actual grips, which I do wish you could customize it. For right now, you can't. It's not a deal breaker for me because it adds contrast, I think, to the overall design. If you guys want to copy my design, I'll throw it up in the screen and you guys can copy as is. But yeah, this is the Elite 2 controller, and I'm happy. I'm really happy with it. You can also, so with that, let's check out the rest of the box here. So if you've never owned an Elite controller, it comes with this little charger base, which you can leave within your case right here. And you can bring a cable and plug it in through the actual case. So you never actually have to remove your controller to charge it. You just leave it in the base of the case and it charges. I think that's a pretty cool design aspect. So if you want somewhere safe to put your controller, right there, it's going to be a great spot for it. You just plug in the controller right here, or you plug in the base of the charger right through there, and it charges your controller while keeping it dust safe and just safe in general, right? Now let's see a little bit of the accessories. You do have to pay extra for the case. You have to pay extra for the charger base, and you have to pay extra for all these additional thumbsticks, which I got in blue. I got in blue because I have the orange and I just kind of wanted to match the color of the controller. So if I didn't feel like having the orange, I could just easily remove them and put in the blue ones, and it would look a little bit like that. And I think it looks fantastic, but I just absolutely love the orange. So the orange will not be leaving the controller anytime soon. So you get an additional 4 thumbsticks. Now, if you play a lot of competitive, you'll understand why you have the longer thumbsticks. It just gives you a wider range of motion because they are longer. It takes a little bit more to go around the controller. So you do get 4 different ones. You get some texture ones, you get some smooth ones as well. And you have those if you want to play a little bit more competitive. Now, you don't have to go all out and design your own controller. You can actually just get a base controller, which run you about $100. I've seen some at Target for 100, 120, and it's basically the same design, but it's beautiful, and you get to save a little bit of money on it. Now, this next accessory right here, it's basically so you can adjust your thumbsticks. You'll basically just use this. It has like a little screw that you put it in, and then you screw it around either left or right, and you can adjust the sensitivity of the thumbstick itself. Dream right here. If you really want to customize your controller to its full potential with software and hardware, this is definitely where you want to go. Now, this is the last accessory that I paid for here on the controller, and it is a thumb pad. Actually, here is the thumb pad. It's the cross design. So if I wanted to switch out this one, you can switch it out. Of course, you have the light blue. That's beautiful. And that's how it looks with the cross thumb pad. Obviously, it's up to your preference, however you want it. But I like to have the option of just having them both, For me, personally, this will do just fine. I really love the look of that. And let's look at the back one more time. Again, you have the paddles, fully customizable. These are your trigger locks. And yeah, Guys, that's pretty much it for this controller right here. It is absolutely beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think of the design. Please feel free to copy it if you love the design. You know, it's obviously, it's whatever you want it to be. And this is exactly what I wanted it to be. And I'm so happy with the design. It's a little expensive, but man, look at that. Birthday month, birthday purchase. You got to go all out. If you enjoyed this video, found it informative, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. I'm doing a big push here at the end of the year, and we're going all in on YouTube, guys, in every single way, okay? So if you love the content, want to see more content on Xbox, on controllers, I do a ton of guides, walkthroughs, and unboxings on Xbox controllers and gear in general. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.